Well, hello guys, Josh Babb here with Woke Outdoors. Today we're going to be making a axe handle for my felling axe, and I have it right here. 1 minute. Yeah, I have it right here, and I put some tape over the head, and it's a Plumb 3.5 pounder. And this is so I've been working on that big project that I think I mentioned in a couple of videos, and I've found I just need a bigger axe. So I went on eBay and I got that with some wedges for like 22 bucks. So it was a good deal. It wasn't really robbed on that. I spent this morning grinding, taking out the mushrooming and grinding an edge on it. And now I'm going to make the handle. So stay tuned and don't go away. Hold it with the paper towel real quick. Close that up. My favorite method to do is from the ground. It seems to hold in. Well, as you guys can see, I got it all hung. So, thank you guys for joining me today. I thought I'd give some closing end credits, or whatever you call it, on why I chose this. So I've been looking for a big axe recently because I've been doing a big project, which that video should be out in a month or two, hopefully. As you guys can see, I made it a very skinny handle and a big heavy head. I wanted this to be a very traditional American felling axe. So I looked on images online, and this is pretty much what I came up with. And just a very slim handle, and that way when you hit wood, if it ever sticks, you're going to put the lot more pressure on the handle. And also, if you glance, it's going to put the handle's going to bend, or sort of bend, instead of just chip or break. And it's going to put less pressure on the eye. So if you guys have ever gotten your axe kind of stuck in the wood, and you guys lift it to pry, it puts most of the pressure on the eye. So the thin handles just kind of relieve that, and also gives you a lot less shock. So that's why I went for a thin handle, and just a very American pattern. So this is the American felling axe. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys learned something, and see you in the next one.